Today we're gonna be making our enemy's most popular video.
So what are we gonna be needing?
So we're gonna be needing, most importantly, buttermilk. Buttermilk.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna need to marinate it. We have kosher sea salt.
Are you listing out the ingredients?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Right now we're gonna use. You can use whatever, like, you know, peppers you want, or any powder, whatever powder you guys like, spicy powders you want, you know. And today we're gonna be making one.
Ah, yes, our old Aunt Mama's cookbook.
Right. Ooh, she had pretty bad handwriting.
Is it thick? I mean, I know it's thick, right? Because buttermilk. I'll just get into it's thick. But is it thick? 2 teaspoons of kosher salt.
Okay. Just grab the kosher
Oh,
salt here.
we forgot to open it. Here, let me do it.
Oh, you want to open it?
Yeah, sure. I haven't done anything yet. Oh. Can you stop?
Okay, one more.
Okay. Alright.
Okay.
That was pretty easy.
Okay, this time, do not ruin my video.
Wait. Was I supposed to remove it? So what's next, bud?
So what we need next is garlic powder, which we don't have right now because somebody threw it away.
Our dead mother.
Okay, since we don't have that, let's see what we can put on next. Any pepper powder works here. So today we're gonna be using all these. Paprika.
Doesn't have to be that brand.
Some chili powder.
Doesn't have to be that small.
Cayenne pepper.
Doesn't have to be that brand.
About that much. Okay. There you go. About that much.
Alright.
Okay. So what we need to do right now is mix it up.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna now be marinating, or making the marinade for...
Marinate?
That's how you say it, right? Making the marinade for the... whatchamacallit?
Chicken sandwich.
Exactly. Now, we're gonna be making the marinade.
Just make sure, yeah, you want
just want to mix it around with your hand.
This is gonna be your guys' today's random liquid.
Yeah, random liquid.
It counts. It counts. Put your whole palm in there too if you want to mix it well.
Well, that's just for the hand, right?
Yeah.
So now once you're done mixing it, look at that. Perfect. Amazing. Now, once you're done with that, you're gonna put your chicken in it.
But we have to cut it first. You guys want to cut it first?
Well, we already did.
What you guys want to do is you want to put it in the marinade.
Okay.
Now mix it in the marinade.
So now, what you want to do is flip it up. Flip it. Pinch it like that.
Okay guys, after you've done this, what you want to do is cover it with saran wrap, or just cover it with like anything kind of wrapped. And then put it in the fridge. Guys, look, fridge right here. Put it in the fridge for either 24 hours or 1 hour. And then you can continue to the video because we're going to wait 24 hours. Okay guys, it's been 24 hours officially, so I think you know what time it is.
Cooking time?
Okay,
Cut.
okay guys, so let's mix the marinade.
Is it nice and cookie?
Hopefully.
Smells almost like grotesque. Okay.
Look at that. This is what you want to buy. Online, we'll leave it in the link in the description. We'll show you a video of it too in the review.
Yeah, we'll list a video for the ingredients.
So we don't bog up our feed.
Yeah, true. Yeah, this is gonna be us. Like for every video, there's gonna be a YouTube video explaining all the ingredients.
Yes.
All right, guess it didn't move.
How do you know?
That's it too. All right. coughing on the food, you jerkwad.
You sneezed on the food.
No, I didn't. I don't think anything's going out. Maybe it's not open. Maybe this is a new crack. The new crack open. You got it. Yeah, you got it right. Ooh! My job. Looks fun.
You say so. You can see the real path. I was wet Jesus mode right there, dude.
Okay.
More oil.
You say so. You're the cook.
No, whatever you say, since you're the cook now.
So next, what you want to do? Be scarefully wary. This is hot oil. We're not playing here. Look, see, that's how you can tell. When you do this, when you do a little shake like that, and you see that,
Guys, we're not playing here, so be careful. Okay, guys, next thing you want to do is kind of flip it.
look at that golden pea brown that you want. That's the color that you want.
Dude, I think it needs a little bit more time to the other side. That's the thing.
All
Okay,
right.
guys, it looks a bit, undercooked. But I feel like it might. Wait, can you leave it just like a little bit longer?
No.
Okay,
Looks like it shrunk 10 to.
that's normal for these kind of things. Okay, guys. So once that has finished, you want to put it on the plate.
Here, let it chill.
Let it chill a little bit. Well, let's get the stuff ready. Here, we'll just,
What?
you know, stuff we're gonna put on top of it. You gotta get your finest bread out there. This is the best we could find.
We made it. Do you guys want me to take a shower? Let me know in the comment section below. Every like counts for me to shower in this room again.
Guys, I just want to say one thing before we're about to end this video really quickly. Guys, I'm getting embarrassed because we just reached our sub goal. Fit check! Fit check! Fit check!
Turn around. Turn around.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Who do you think you are? 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 Damn you! You rocked that. So you guys want to get your mayonnaise?
Look at this. Speed run. Speed run. No, it was supposed to be in... Okay. Next. What else? What else do you add? That's it?
Yeah.
Really? I thought there was more like... No.
This is your average crispy sandwich. Oh, do that again. Let me 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 do that again.
Maybe we need more space.
Maybe. Let me do that again. 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 Let me do that
At
again.
what point do you give up?
Let me do that again. Let me do that again. Okay, guys, now that we have completed our chicken sandwich, we can go ahead and try it.
So here we go. Our pride and joy into this chicken.
Okay.
We have destroyed, from just looking at it, look at that. We just destroyed whatever our competitor's name is. We're not going to name it,
I'm not gonna name him.
obviously.
Obviously. And we gotta say, hey, wait, before we eat it, I just gotta say one thing. This has been an honor to be one of our top competitors in a chicken sandwich.
Top competitor, he's nothing to us.
Right.
Truly, he's nothing.
Well, yeah. But I just want to say, I think this is our greatest victory ever. Okay,
I really
now
believe that.
let's get into it.
All right, you, the
Oh,
cook, get the
thank
first
you.
bite.
We are talking to you, so this is the 10.
Pretty good. I really like it.
So what would you rate this?
I gotta say, I think it's pretty good.
Well, we all have our own opinions, of course. Oh, dude. Ow, dude. Ow.